Here question number 8. In this question you must show all your stages of working. A curve has equation y equal to f of x, x is greater than 0, given that f dash of x is given. So the derivative part is given. So the equation of the tangent to the curve at x equal to root 2 and y is given. Okay, so the y equation also is given. So find the exact value of k. So for finding the k, so we need f dash of x, also we need x value, so we can get the k. So first x equal to is given, which is root 2, and y equal to 5x minus 3 root 2 is given. Do dy by dx, which is 5, because constant becomes 0, so 5 into 1, which is 5. So this is nothing, this is the f of x, so it's given. So now we'll take this equation f dash of x equal to 2x plus x 8 over x square plus k. Now substitute the value what we have, which is f dash of x is we have, which is 5, equal to 2 into x value we know, which is root 2, because given at a point, plus 8 over root 2 whole square plus k. So now 5 plus 2, 5 equal to 2 root 2 plus 8 over 2 plus k, because square root of 2 whole square equal to 2. So now 5 equal to 2 plus root 2 plus 4 equal to plus k. This is plus. Next bring this 4 to this side, so 5 minus 4 equal to, sorry, just a minute, so I'll rewrite this part. So from here 5 equal to 2 root 2 plus 4 plus k. So bring the 4 this side, because 5 minus 4 equal to 2 root 2 plus k. Now 1 equal to 2 root 2 plus k. So which is, bring the 2 root 2, 1 minus 2 root 2 equal to k. So we got the k value. So our first question done. Find the exact value of k, which is exactly in this third form, which is 1 minus 2 root 2 of k. This is our first answer. Next, find the equation of the normal. So equation of the normal, there is a curve, it can be like this. So we are drawing, this is the equation of the normal. The straight line is called equation of the normal. So at a point is a root 2. So with the same point is happening, so we need to find the gradient. The gradient is going to be negative reciprocal. So we know the gradient, which is dy by dx, already we done. Dy by dx equal to 5 at the point of root 2. So dy by dx equal to 5 at the point x equal to root 2. So our gradient is 5. So m equal to 5, but gradient of normal is m equal to negative 1 over 5. Is a perpendicular, so it's going to be negative reciprocal. So now what we need to find, we need to find the equation of the normal. So we have the gradient and we need to find the y value. So here x equal to root 2, y equal to, so we have x equal to root 2, y equal to, the equation is given, which is 5x minus 3 root 2. 5x minus 3 root 2. So just plug in this x value here, we'll get y. So 5 into root 2 minus 3 root 2, which is 2 root 2. So y value is 3 root 2. So we know the coordinate root 2 comma 2 root 2. So we have one coordinate. Also we have the gradient, which is negative 1 over 5. We can find the line equation y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to, gradient is negative 1 over 5x plus c. Just plug in now the values. When you plug in the value, is going to be y equal to 2 root 2 equal to minus 1 by 5x plus c, sorry, x equal to root 2. So 2 root 2 equal to minus root 2 over 5 plus c. So next root 2 plus root 2 over 5 equal to c. Find the c value. So 2 root 2, we'll take LCM, which is going to be 10. 10 root 2 plus root 2 over 5 equal to c, which is 11 root 2 over 5 equal to c. We got the c value, just substitute this equation, so you will get that. So y equal to minus 1 by 5x plus 11 root 2 over 5. This is the required equation for second part. Also we have done. Next, what we need to find? We need to find f of x, writing your answer in simplest form. So f dash of x is equal to, so now we are doing the part C. F dash of x equal to is given 2x plus 8 by x square plus k. Now already we found the k value, which is 8 by x square, plus the k value is 1 minus 2 root 2. Just we'll plug in here 1 minus 2 root 2. Okay, this all constant term here. So this is our f dash of x. Now we are integrating everything. Integration is happening now. So f of x equal to, we need to find f of x. F of x equal to integration of everything, 2x plus 8 by x square plus 1 minus 2 root 2 into entire thing into dx. So now I'll integrate. It's like a step by step. The first part is 2 into x power, already 1 is there, so x square by 2, plus second part actually is 8x power minus 2. So it become 8x power minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 over minus 1, plus this is a constant, so 1 minus 2 root 2 into x plus c. So now we'll simplify, which is x square minus 8 over x we can write, because x power negative 1. So yeah, plus 1 minus 2 root 2 into x plus c. Now we need to find the c. So left side is f of x is there. Now we have the coordinate at the point, which is the coordinate is going to be, so here root 2 and 2 root 2, just plug in here. The coordinate is root 2 comma 2 root 2. So y equal to 2 into root 2 equal to x value root 2 whole square minus 8 over root 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 into root 2 plus c. And just simplify, which is 2 root 2 equal to 2 minus 8 root 2, 8 by root 2, plus we'll expand this one time root 2 is root 2, minus 2 times root 2 into root 2, so 2 times 2 4, plus c. So the next step, 2 root 2 equal to 2 and minus 4 become minus 2, and this one see 8 by root 2 we can write root 2, rationalize the denominator, root 2 by root 2, so it's going to be 8 root 2 by 2, which is 4 root 2. So we can write this part 4 root 2 plus root 2 plus c. So now, yeah, 2 root 2 equal to minus 2 root 2 plus root 2 equal to minus 3 root 2 plus c. Now I'll bring to everything to this side. 2 root 2 plus 2 plus 3 root 2 equal to c. So 2 plus 5 root 2 equal to c. We got the c value. Just substitute here. Just substitute here. So we'll get the answer. F of x equal to, so f of x equal to x square minus 8 by x square minus 8 by x plus 1 minus 2 root 2 into x plus 1 minus 2 root 2 into x plus the c value. C is 2 plus 5 or root 2. This is the final answer. X square minus 8 by x plus 1 minus 2 root 2 into x plus 2 plus 5 root 2. This is the final answer. The next question, question number 9, figure 3. Figure, write down the expression of f of x. So we need to find the equation. So it's passing through the center. So I'm taking sin x. So y equal to the equation a sin x into x plus b plus c. So a will calculate maximum minus minimum by 2. C will calculate maximum plus minimum by 2. Depend to C, we will find the b. So maximum minus minimum. Maximum is 4, minimum is minus 4. 4 minus 4. So first one is 4 minus of minus 4 by 2, which is 8 by 2, so equal to 4. This one 4 plus minus 4 by 2 equal to 0. So there is no c value, only a value. So b also there is no phase shift. This happens so here. So the final answer going to be y equal to 4 sin x. That's it. So there is no b, no c. C is 0. So our principal axis is like a same x-axis. So it's nothing happened. So that is the value. Okay, because 0 and pi, so it's exactly sine values. Okay, so the next part, part B. So the f of x, some translation has happened. So state the coordinate of the p. P is the maximum point. So the maximum point is going to be, this is 180. Yeah. So pi plus pi by 2, which is 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, comma 4. P coordinate is going to be, now we are doing the second part. P coordinate is going to be pi plus 5 by 2, so 3 pi by 2 comma 4. Okay, so why here this is sine 1, sine graph. The maximum point is the mid, then mid is 5 2 pi. This is like, this is pi by 2 and this is plus pi by 2. So pi plus pi by 2 we'll get 3 pi by 2. So yeah, now the translation is, the first one happened, the x-axis 5 by 6 moved right. So 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 6, which is, so 3 pi plus 3 pi 3, here is times 3, here is 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 6. So the mode right, pi by 6 unit right. So this is right. So here is 3. So here is 3, 9. So 9 pi plus pi over 6, which is 10 pi over 6. So just simplify, which is 5 by 3 pi. So the answer is, the new coordinate going to be 5 by 3 pi comma 4. That's the first answer. Second one, so y equal to minus 1 by 2 f of x. Now this is happening, second one, minus 1 by 2 into f of x. This is happening only on y-axis. So y-axis going to be divided by 2 minus. So the answer is going to be 3 pi by 2. Yeah, 3 pi by 2 and negative 2 is the answer. So part B. Next, question number 10. Question number 10, there is a figure is given. So the curve is y equal to 2x cube plus 1 by 2x square and minus 2x plus 5 is given. So now what we need to find, the line L is the normal to C at the point P where x equal to 0. Here x equal to 0. So we'll find the coordinate of P. P is very simple. P is x equal to 0. Just put the equation x equal to 0, we'll get 5. So the y-intercept, the point is 0, 5 P. So next, the line L is the intersect C at point Q and R. Q and R. So in the figure, find using algebra x coordinate at point Q. X coordinate on Q. Okay. Yeah, that's right. So we are finding the Q. So first we need to find the line equation, straight line equation. So we got one passing point, 0, 5. Also now we need to find the gradient. So we will do dy by dx. One point we have, now we have to do dy by dx. When you do dy by dx, what will happen? The equation is y equal to 2x cube, y equal to 2x cube minus 1 by 2x square, sorry, plus 1 by 2x square minus 2x plus 5, minus 2x plus 5. Do dy by dx. So we are finding the gradient, so which is 6x square plus x minus 6x square plus x minus 2 is right. Now at x equal to 0, so plug in x equal to 0 here, 6 comma 0 plus 0 minus 2, so minus 2. So the gradient dy by dx equal to minus 2. So we got like m equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Okay, so next, line L is the normal to the C. Normal to the C means the gradient is going to be negative reciprocal for now. So m equal to, this is the gradient of C at the point x equal to 0. Okay, so now the gradient is negative 1 by positive 1 by negative reciprocal for the line L. So now line equal to 2x plus C. Now we have the coordinate 0, 5, plug in 5 equal to 0 plus C. So C equal to 5. So y equal to 1 by 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x plus 5. This is the equation of the line. So what we need to find, first one, find the x coordinate. So we need to solve both the equations, then we can find the value. So y equal to 2x cube plus 1 by x square, 2x cube plus 1 by 2x square minus 2x plus 5 equal to, so the other line equation is 1 by 2x plus 5. 1 by 2x plus 5. Now we need to solve. We'll get two solution, that is 1 x coordinate of q and r we will get. So when we solving time, so 2x cube minus 1 by 2x square minus 2x, I'll bring this minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2x, then 5 and 5. This is 5, this is 5. When it will bring it here, this becomes 0. That is no, yeah. So now 2x cube minus x square by 2. This one, when we simplify, minus 2 minus 1 by 2, which is minus 5 by 2x equal to 0. Now make LCM, which is 4x cube minus x square minus 5x over 2 equal to 0. Now bring the 2 to other side, it will become a 0. So it's become 4x cube minus x square minus 5x equal to 0. So x into 4x square minus x minus 5 equal to 0. So now the x also 0. So 4x square minus x minus 5 equal to 0. Then next, so we'll get here 4x plus 5 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to this one minus 5 by 4 and x equal to 1 already we got. So from this equation x equal to 0, we are getting three solution x equal to 0 we have to ignore, already we got it. So other two equation is 1 and minus 5 by 4. 1 and minus 5 by 4. Obviously r is the plus x and q is the minus, so x coordinate of q is negative value, so we need to choose, yeah, so x coordinate of q is negative 5 by 4. This is a solution of A. Yeah, next, the point T lies on C, given that the tangent to C at T is parallel to L. So there is another point. So we are taking parallel to L. The x coordinate of T is positive. So find using the algebra x at x value. So x coordinate of T is positive. Okay. So we are taking parallel to L, so same gradient. Okay, so gradient is same, so we know here. Okay, so parallel to L, so the gradient equal to 1 by 2. So gradient is 1 by 2, that means dy by dx equal to 1 by 2. What is dy by dx? Already we done. Dy by dx of the given equation and the given curve, which is 6x square plus x minus 2. So 6x square plus x minus 2 equal to 1 by 2. So we need to solve. So bring 12x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Now finding the exact value, we need to go for plus or minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So just plug in x equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 into 12 into minus, oh here, yeah, sorry, here 1 is there. This one, when you bring it here, this equation become 12x square plus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So negative 5 over 2 times 12. When you simplify, we will get minus 2 plus or minus square root of 244 over 24. So for the simplification, we will get minus 2 plus or minus square root of 61 over 12. So we'll get two values. One is x equal to, sorry, this is minus 1. So we'll get minus 1 plus root 61 over 12 and x equal to minus 1 minus square root of 61 over 12. So now now we go back the question. The question says x coordinate t is positive, so we are picking only the positive value. So positive is, so the x coordinate of t is minus 1 plus square root of 61 over 12. This is the final answer. This is the last question.